The Chroma oven has a control panel on the front to set temperature, time, and choose which heating elements are turned on. The first knob is used to set the temperature. The second knob is used to set the combination of heating elements and the rotisserie to be used for cooking. The first position is the off position. The second position uses the upper and lower heating elements and the fan. The third position uses the upper heating element and the fan. The fourth position uses the upper and lower heating elements. The fifth position uses the upper heating element and the rotisserie. The sixth position uses the upper and lower heating elements, the fan, and the rotisserie. The third knob is a timer. You can set it for up to 60 minutes. You can also set it to be continuously on until you shut it off manually.